Hi there, science fans. Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of chemistry. Imagine a world without smartphones, video games, or even electric lights. Hard to believe, right? That's what it was like before Dmitri Mendeleev organized chemistry. He was a true pioneer. Back then, scientists knew about lots of elements, but it was a jumbled mess. They had no idea how to make sense of it all. No one knew how they were related. It was a chaotic time for anyone trying to study chemistry. It was like trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle with no picture. Imagine the confusion and frustration. Can you imagine the frustration? Scientists were pulling their hair out, trying to make sense of it all. It was tough to study chemistry. Students and scientists alike were struggling to understand the elements. No wonder people found it confusing. The lack of organization made learning and discovery incredibly difficult. But then came Mendeleev, a brilliant Russian scientist. He would change everything. His work brought order to the chaos and revolutionized the field of chemistry. Mendeleev loved looking for patterns. He was like a detective searching for clues. He wrote the properties of each element on separate cards. He then laid them out on his desk, trying different arrangements. He grouped elements with similar properties together. He moved them around like puzzle pieces, searching for a pattern. He even took his cards on a train journey, always on the hunt for the perfect arrangement. Then one day it hit him. In a flash of inspiration, Mendeleev saw the solution that had eluded scientists for so long. Mendeleev realized that if he arranged the elements by their atomic weight, a pattern magically emerged. It was as if the elements themselves were revealing a hidden order. Elements with similar properties appeared at regular intervals like musical notes on a scale. This periodicity was the key to understanding the relationships between the elements. He rushed to write it all down, and voila, the first periodic table was born. This table was not just a list, but a powerful tool for predicting the properties of elements. It was a thing of beauty, a symphony of science. Each element had its place, and the table itself was a testament to the harmony of nature. But here's the amazing part. Mendeleev's table had gaps. These gaps were not mistakes, but predictions of elements yet to be discovered. He boldly predicted that new, undiscovered elements would fill these gaps. His confidence in the periodic table was unwavering, and he knew that future scientists would find these missing pieces. And guess what? He was right. Over time, scientists discovered the elements Mendeleev had predicted, validating his groundbreaking work and solidifying the periodic table as a cornerstone of chemistry. Years later, scientists discovered the missing elements, just as Mendeleev predicted. His foresight was nothing short of extraordinary. He didn't just fill in the gaps. He laid the foundation for future scientific breakthroughs. His periodic table wasn't just a table, it was a crystal ball. Mendeleev's work revolutionized chemistry. It provided a systematic way to understand the elements and their relationships. His periodic table became the roadmap for future discoveries. It guided scientists in predicting the existence and properties of elements that had yet to be discovered. It allowed scientists to predict the properties of new elements with remarkable accuracy. This predictive power was crucial in advancing our understanding of chemistry and understand how elements combine to form everything around us. From the air we breathe to the materials we use daily, the periodic table is at the heart of it all. So, the next time you see a periodic table, remember the incredible story of Dmitri Mendeleev. His vision and hard work have left an indelible mark on science. His passion, dedication, and out-of-the-box thinking changed the world of science. Now it's your turn. Embrace the spirit of curiosity and innovation. Go out there, explore, and never stop asking questions. The world of science is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Who knows what amazing discoveries you might make? Your curiosity could lead to the next big breakthrough. The future of science is in your hands. Together, we can push the boundaries of knowledge and make the world a better place. Don't forget, science is full of stories, and you might just write the next one. Subscribe and like for more tales from the Science Storyteller.